Today I feel for some roast chicken to go with my jollof rice. So I start off by slitting the chicken so that it cooks properly. I rinse it pat dry, and now I'm going to combine all my seasoning. I'm adding some lemon juice and a little cooking oil. Now it's time for the herbs. I'm going to combine all my herbs, which I will list in the comment section or on the screen. I'm just going to mince them up real fine, and then I'm going to go ahead and add some butter. After which I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken with my powdered seasoning, and I'm going to put some on the inside as well, ensuring that the chicken is properly seasoned. Next I'm going to add my herbed butter under the skin, through the breast and under the thighs. Allow it to marinate for a couple hours, and I add it to my baking pan and put it in the oven at 375 for 1 hour and 20 minutes. I add some meat sauce to some of the liquid from the chicken, pour it back on top, and put my oven on broil for another 5 to 10 minutes, and I enjoyed it with some jollof rice and veggies.